I'm Ken Burchell, Product Manager here at Channellock. Your Channellock Hero Product Sample Kit includes a variety of top-performing products representing additional product types available to you by Channellock. Included products within your Hero Sample Kit include a 9.5-inch V-jaw tongue and groove plier. This is perfect for use on round stock and a variety of fastener types. An 8-inch center cutting plier. This features a unique cutting system in addition to our XLT high leverage cutting technology. Also, an 8-inch reversible jaw adjustable wrench. This features a traditional smooth jaw for use on standard fasteners, as well as a unique gripping jaw for use on round stock or rounded or stubborn fasteners. In addition to your product samples, the sample kit includes features and benefits printed on the inside cover, along with some demonstration materials to cut. Included in your sample kit shipment, the Channellock demo stand, a plexiglass cover for cutting demonstration, and threaded black pipe for gripping products. Your demo stand also allows the user to feed the provided hardened steel test wire or 16D sinkers through the eyelet. With the protective plexiglass cover in its closed position, they can feel the power of extreme leverage technology